USA income tax system was established under slavery. And it is still a part of the whole crop sharing. Yeah, I've been reading more about this whole slavery thing. There weren't that many whites who were slaves, but a lot of blacks. And many taken completely against their will. Just like the whole income tax system, people taken against it. And of course, they had an amendment to the Constitution. They got rid of slavery, and they got rid of the income tax systems, kind of. So, as I've said, we're getting away from the Constitution and into grace, love, peace, producing money out of thin air to pay for a perfect society whereby everybody is civilized. I mentioned it, policing and regulations. That's all part of slavery. That's all America knows. So we're going to go into happiness with our government here in the United States of America. Obviously, while I'm in different countries or South Florida enjoying the weather. Most of America's cold. I gotta give some props though to Boise, Idaho. You're coming strong with those 90s and hundreds. I didn't know about that. Yeah, Denver, Colorado. Did you know Denver's like the sunniest city in the country? Obviously, shout out to Cleveland, Ohio. It's my heart where, I guess I was raised kind of thing. And I do see sunshine, a lot of sunshine. It's calling for me to go outside, get tanner.